Here's a competing product to Apple's AirTags, which taps into the Find My ecosystem. So it's going to have, it's going to benefit from the scale of connected devices that Apple already has out there, from iPhones and so forth, and behave essentially like an AirTag minus the precision tracking in close proximity. Oh. It's not going to have that. So for me, I looked at the price of it. It's called Chipolo, by the way. It's on pre-order right now. And they're saying a cheaper AirTag alternative with Find My integration. But what stood out to me is the price point. They're selling it for $28. Do you know the price of the AirTag?
$29.
It's like, come on. You're going to save $1 and go for the non-Apple branded one without the precision tracking up close over the AirTag? This to me almost feels like Apple just putting this product out there so that if they ever have to go to court and they can say, yeah, we let other companies tap into our Find My ecosystem. We're super fair. There's this company, Chipolo. They sold 17 units, but they get full access. Yeah. They love it. No, I'm sure that's not exactly what's going on, but it also doesn't have the same IP rating as the AirTag. AirTag has a higher IP rating as well. It has one advantage, Will. I'm going to tell you the one advantage right now. Or maybe you already know it. You know what the advantage is?
Rechargeable?
That's not it. It's, It's the hole. It has the keyhole right at the top. And us, of course, we know from experience that the AirTag does not have a hole in it, and you are expected to purchase some sort of holder for it if you hope to put it on your keys. Yeah. And then it's going to dip down and drag down a little bit on your keychain as opposed to being right on it if it had a hole in it to begin with, which it could have had because in our video and iFixit and others, it appears that there's a spot that it could have been if you want to put a hole right in it, but they didn't do that. Anyway, if you factor in the need to buy Apple's keychain case, if you were going to buy an AirTag and the case, well, now the Chipolo, which feels like, I want to say Chipotle. Yeah. Chipolo, sounds appetizing, is much cheaper if you're doing that cost comparison. So that might be worth looking at, but I don't know. I think most people are going to want to have that precision tracking, the arrows and all that stuff. Yes. It's kind of nice to have, and that's only on the AirTag. So it's cool that it works with Find My, but I don't know if it's going to be enough at $1 less. I don't know if it's going to be enough, man.